Hermes Finance just made the new world record of the highest daily APR, 7,555% daily. How crazy is this? Quick warning, this is what scams looks like. They offer crazy APR or APY to get people on the platform into rug, so just be careful before investing. Hi, I'm Crypto AV. Today we're looking at Hermes Finance, a new tomb fork on the Avalanche network with its crazy daily APR. In this video, I will cover: what is Hermes Finance? How to make money on this tomb fork? Should you invest in it? Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to not miss any new videos. Thanks for the support. So what is Hermes Finance? It's one of the first algorithmic stablecoin on Avalanche C Chain, pegged to the price of one AVAX via seigniorage. Stake your HERMES-AVAX LP in the Crete to earn HSHARE rewards. Then stake your HSHARE in the Olympus to earn more Hermes. The tomb fork is brand new. It launched today, the 28th November. The total value locked is quite big for such a short period of time. Hermes is their own token. The price is absolutely high. It should be pegged to one AVAX, and it is currently at 4 to 5 AVAX. If you buy the token now and the price goes back to its peg, you're screwed. Just a thing to keep in mind. And like all of these tomb fork, they have the share token, which is HSHARE, and the bond token, which is HBond. Let's visit their documentation. That's the big picture. The Hermes algorithmic token serves as the backbone of a rapidly growing ecosystem aimed towards bringing liquidity and new use cases to the Avalanche network. The protocol's underlying mechanism dynamically adjusts Hermes supply, pushing its price up or down relative to the price of AVAX, and of course, it is inspired by Tomb Finance. Back on the website, let's explore the Crete section, which is exactly the same as the farm section. The HERMES-AVAX LP farm is very interesting too. A 585% daily APR. But the HSHARE AVAX LP farm is on a whole new other level. 3,900% daily APR. It already went down by almost half in just a few minutes. This is how not sustainable these APR and APY are. So if you want to get started on this, you just have to approve your HSHARE AVAX LP here, and you can claim your tokens here. Now let's check the Olympus section. Staking HSHAREs will give you Hermes' rewards when the price of Hermes is above the peg, which it is right now, but not when it is under the peg. By staking now, you can get 796,455% APR, so crazy, but it will go down fast, and with the price getting closer to its peg, this would not matter. If you want to go through any way or in the future when the peg is back to normal, you can approve your HSHARE here to stake. The staked HSHAREs can only be withdrawn after 6 epochs, which is 36 hours. Then you can claim your rewards in 11 hours. For now, let's explore the Tartarus section, which is the bond section. If your Hermes is below peg, go to Tartarus to exchange it against some Hermes bond. Exchange Hermes for Hermes bond, HBond. Redeem after peg is above 1.1 to receive bonus Hermes. Hermes is above peg, so at the moment, this section does not matter. Now on their Twitter, we can see that we are very early. They only have 600 plus followers. You can join their Twitter and Discord if you're interested in this tomb fork. That's where you can get the latest news on Hermes Finance. In conclusion, I like this new tomb fork, but I would absolutely not invest right now because the price of Hermes will go down, and if you're invested, your money will disappear since it will go down to its peg. I personally won't invest in Hermes Finance. They are not audited, which is understandable since they've just launched, but if a crypto project is not audited, it's a big no-no for me. But once the peg is coming back to normal, this would be a nice opportunity to take some risk with money that you can lose. But please do your own research before investing. Please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think about Hermes Finance. I would love to chat.